Hello, hello, Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. This is episode number 215, and we're going to be dealing with eCards. You know what eCards are? They're electronic cards. I'll see them all over the place. Gigbuilder does that natively, and we're going to take a look at that now. So we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to go to System Configuration, and from the System Configuration menu, we're going to go to eCards. Now from the eCards, it may be completely blank, and again, if you've been watching and going through these videos with a brand new Gigbuilder like we have, then this is probably what you're going to see. So all we have to do here is create a new one, and we click New. And from this point here, we determine, first of all, who it's going to go to and when it's going to go. So first of all, let's give a descriptive name, and what we're going to do is a happy anniversary, and it'll be the first anniversary. So we'll say happy first anniversary. Now that card name is just for us to understand what this card's supposed to be. Your client won't see that. It's just your description. We're going to go ahead and leave this enabled. You would usually set this maybe to disabled while you're building it. Basically, what that means is once it's enabled, once you save it, it's going to run every morning. And anything that goes in, anything that catches within their parameters here are going to mail out. If you disable it, then it won't. Who is this going to go to? Primarily in these cards, most of it's going to go to either employees or event clients. All clients would be your entire database. Imported leads, etc. These are all different things, but primarily you're going to go to your employees or you're going to go to event clients. So we're going to leave that alone. The next thing is default service. Leave it alone. We'll show you in the 300 series how you can add services to Gigbuilder so you can run multiple companies. But right now we're just dealing with the default. Now it's when to email. Now since we're doing this as an anniversary, we're going to want to make sure that it's completed events. We're going to make sure it's 12 months after event. So 12 months after my event, they're going to get this card. And then what event types? Well, since it's a happy anniversary, the only ones we really would do would be an anniversary party, but I don't have that on here. So I've got wedding ceremony and wedding reception. The next thing is a subject. And we can just say happy. Actually, on the subject, we can introduce our tokens. And if you haven't seen those before, basically you can take anything from the database and put it in there to make it customized. So we use our token finder here. And so I don't want to find the client's first name. So I could go here. There's a client's first name. I click insert token. I can copy it. Okay. That's cleared that out of there. And then I can simply go right up here and press Control V to paste. Happy anniversary. Card title, you'll see that at the top, my eCard, my eCard. We'll just make this happy anniversary. You can change the title, fonts, colors, sizes, etc. I'm just going to leave it blank for this demonstration. The inside of the card, this is actually what this is going to do is it's going to take all this text here and it's going to embed it on this image for them. So beforehand, I don't want to use the rows. So let's scroll down a bit. And down here, we can change the theme anniversary so that I can select my image here. And let's just do, I don't know, candles behind wine. We've got a ton of pictures, and you can also upload your own. So if you got your own eCard that you've set, that you want to build, got your company logo, whatever, you just click here and upload it instead of using the ones that we have predefined, but we've got a lot of them. So there's the candles. Ooh, that's dark. So we can go through with that, and then what we're going to do here is I'm probably going to make this white, since that's the text inside and that's black. So we can basically say, let's put the client's name in there again, and I'm just going to copy it. Actually, I still got it in there, so I'm just going to paste it. Control V. And then the next thing I'm going to do is happy anniversary. First anniversary. And you can see it's up in this corner, and I don't like that. That's where we use these arrows. First of all, I can center text. I can click this. Now you can see it's centered. And maybe I don't want it up there. Maybe I want it down all the way down. So I keep scrolling down as I'm pushing this down button to move that where I want to. And that's all I want to do on that. And then I can continue to change my my stuff here. And eCard footer will say compliments City Sounds, which is our little company here. And then I'm going to leave this blank because I brought everything down to the bottom. If you see your eCard photo, let me change the color on this so you see where it is. And we'll scroll up and you'll see it's right down below it. And I just don't want to use it on this card. So those are the different places. That's a footer that you can use. So now what we have here is I'm looking at, it's going to say happy anniversary. And it's going to have the name, happy first anniversary, very simple. And then I can do anything in here. I can say, wishing you a very happy first anniversary. And then, if you know anyone getting married, please give them our info. No big deal. Regards. I'm going to show you something interesting about HTML text. If you just want a single line below, you press Shift Enter. Zano, and then I'm going to do it one more time. And then since that's good enough. So basically I can put tokens in anywhere to customize it much further. All we've done is put a very simple one in here, but that's very simple. Happy anniversary, clean, pretty. All right, we've got all this done. We do have a couple extra date tokens you may want to use for when we're doing anniversary because it'll show a count of the numbers. So if it knows the year you were born, a bunch of other stuff, which we'll do more advanced. So hit save. And then once we hit save on this, we can see this is disabled, and that's fine. We're still playing with it. I can reopen it, and now that I've created something, it's going to give me a new section down below and allow me to test it. So this is kind of neat. It'll grab a random event and build a card and send it to my personal address so that I know what it looks like. We can also force send them now. And so basically if I hit test, what it's going to do is it's going to real quickly tell me this is what could have been happening. This is what was mailed, which of course it's a test. And within a few minutes, we're going to get this card and you're going to take a look at it. So that's all we need to do on here. We'll go ahead and just click to go back. And now we'll go ahead and take a look at what the card looks like in your email. And once the email has been delivered, notice we have the subject, Janet, happy anniversary, using that token we had. You see it again here. Shows it was from me. And I've got the card, happy anniversary, Janet, happy first anniversary, just like we wanted. Nice little clean thing at the bottom, compliments of City Sounds. And of course we can always see it full screen. Boom, right there. So that is what we have as far as the eCards are concerned. Have fun, play around with it. You can see you can go ahead and send some samples, get a little comfortable with it, set them all up for your clients, and when you're done with that and you're ready to return, come on back for the next video.